What's up, everybody? Here we are. Say what's up, is.
What's up?
CJ. Hi. So once again, we are here at the Blue Planet Sound Studio. This is day one prep for the Pacific Sessions EP. This is Will Shine's EP, and we're just setting up, as you can see. These guys are getting ready, setting up drums, mics, and everything. Chris, he came all the way from California just to be here. He's an engineer. Setting up mics. He played a keyboard. He played. What's up, Chris?
What's up, man?
Say hi.
Hi.
Aloha.
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 That's the first time I said that, actually.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Said it on camera.
You heard it here first, guys.
Aloha.
Chris's first time saying
Aloha.
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 Oh.
Goodbye.
Wow, he said it twice already. Wow. This guy is Hawaiian. This guy is going to be Hawaiian by the end of his trip. Anyway, so keep you guys posted on what's more to come. But ladies and gentlemen, the man himself, Mr. Will Shine, give it up. Wow, self-glorification. This guy, wow. Wow, did he just...
Put that on the interweb.
Did he? Interweb.
Put that on the interweb.
Yeah, I'm just here, trying to pretend like I'm an engineer. Not really doing much. Oh, hey, does this computer also check my Facebook? Did I just spit a little bit? I think I did. Yeah. So, we're getting ready. Actually, we start recording tomorrow. So, tomorrow. We start recording tomorrow, so until tomorrow, you shall keep you guys posted.
This is awesome. Check out this setup in here. Did you just custom make that? Yeah, man. Yeah, I just custom made that.
Yeah.
Separate guitar and
I'll show you guys, do a tour a little bit before we finish.
Because I patented it. It's a Hobson
Until then,
patented guitar recording
peace.